Hi guys, here's another one. I bought this canvas print on holiday. It's you put two batteries in there, and the butterflies light up. But I've got to fit into a picture frame, which I bought from Ikea. Slightly too big, but I'm gonna try a modification. First thing, I've got to remove the old frame. I want it to fit in there. I've got to remove the old wooden frame from this canvas print. So I've got to get all of the staples out, which will take a while, so I'll just fast forward that for you. And as you can see here, I've got all of the staples out. Just a matter of removing the canvas from the frame. And there you see I've got the canvas out, separated. Still has the lights attached to the back, you'll see it later. So, just a matter of preparing the frame. Just got to take it out of its wrapping, bought it from Ikea. Speed this section up also. So, just take the back cover off. Then you got this paper lining. And this is the frame mount bit card, which I'm going to fix the canvas to. So here's the canvas here. The folded edges where I've took it off the frame are creased, so I'm going to iron them out. And you can see me just taking the creases out with a steam iron. I'll turn it inside out. Okay, let's show you here. I've got all the creases out. So somehow I've got to attach this canvas to the frame. Just see if I can get it nice and level. It'll just about fit all the frame mount, so I'm going to use duct tape to fit the canvas in place. Pin it down to the frame mount, make it nice and tight so there's no creases. And here you can see me just putting duct tape around the sides while I'm trying to pull the creases out. And here you can see me just connecting the wiring. I've got another battery pack on the outside this time. I'm just testing the lights there, seem to be working okay. I'll just take this picture back out because the picture frame screen or glass has a protective cover, which I'm trying to remove here. Just removing the protective from the perspex. There's one on both sides. So now that that's out of the way, I'm just going to pop the canvas with the frame mount. Make sure there's no bits on there. So I'm just going to pop that in. Just took the wires out the side. I'm just going to use a bit of bubble wrap to pack it out. Just testing the lights again. They're on a little battery pack on the top. And then that's all done. I'm just going to fit the back cover. And that's the unit complete there. And here you can see me just hanging the picture. And that's it complete. Just get a little close up. Got the battery pack on the top. Guess I'm going to change the batteries. And that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching once again. And please subscribe.